Dear student, today we are going to see the what is the concept about the memory organization. So this topic belongs to the digital fundamentals and computer organization. Okay, so first, what is the memory? Memory means it's a kind of cell. Each cell is identified with the unique number, so that number is called as a address. Okay, so each cell is recognized as a control signal. For example, read write which is generated by the CPU, that is recognized by the memory cell. Okay, so whenever CPU execute the program, there is need to transfer the instruction from the memory to CPU, because the program is available in the memory. First, the program, any kind of program, is stored into the memory. So that memory is come from that program is come from memory to the CPU. The CPU execute the program. For example, for simple example, we download the or we install the any kind of games from the Play Store. Okay, so after installing these games from the play Store, then we play the game. When we play the game, it will move from secondary memory to main memory. Okay, this is the example for the memory transfer. Okay, then here memory request contain the address along with the control. Already I told you. So the memory request consists of a memory with the control signal. For example, read and write is a kind of example for the control signal. Then the word size. Word size means the CPU process at a particular time. For example, in 1 millisecond it process a 10 bit or 15 bit of instruction. So that is called as a word size. Okay, so the word size may differ from the generation wise. Generation means computer generation. Okay, so the it will vary from 4 bit to 64 bit. Here the 16 bit processor consists of a word size as a 16 bit. 32 bit processor consists of a word size as a 32 bit. Same as 64 bit consists of a word size as a 64 bit. That means the CPU executes 64 bits per second. Same as 32 bit processor means CPU execute 32 bit processor per second, per millisecond. Okay, then word size varies as per the processor architecture because of generation. Already I told you. So it vary from 4 bit to 64 bits. Okay, then here the another one is what is the memory unit. Memory unit is a collection of storage unit or devices together. So the memory unit store the information in the form of bits. Okay, here the another one is a volatile memory. There are two different type of memory. One is the volatile memory, the another one is a non-volatile memory. Volatile memory means the information is not stored in the memory. If you power off your mobile or laptop or any kind of digital devices, the information is lost. That kind of memory is called as a volatile memory. Non-volatile memory means the information is permanently stored in that memory. So that type of memory is called as a non-volatile memory. For example, secondary memory all belongs to non-volatile memory. Okay, so this is the memory hierarchy which is represented in the form of pyramid symbol. So first the magnetic tape, the next magnetic disk, then the main memory, cache memory, register memory. So it will increase the speed level. Then the next one is the auxiliary memory. Auxiliary memory means it's a secondary memory. It's a the main memory is 1,000 times faster than the than the auxiliary memory. Then the main memory as it's a central main memory is a brain of any computer because it communicate to the CPU, secondary memory and input output devices. So it communicate the auxiliary memory and CPU through the input output processor. Okay, so when the program not residing in the main memory is needed by the CPU, they are not brought from auxiliary memory. Suppose if the suppose if the program is not available in main memory, it take the auxiliary memory and it will send to the CPU. The CPU will execute it. Okay, so in a cache memory means the frequently the word the instruction data which are frequently used in the main memory is stored in the cache memory. Okay, so the cache memory reduce the work of the main memory because the cache memory is in between the main memory and the CPU. Then the next this is the memory organization structure: CPU, cache memory, main memory, input output processor. So this is a magnetic tape and magnetic disk. Okay, so here there are three different type of in a memory accessing. There are three different type of memory accessing. First, actually the sequential access means it access the memory from first to last. Okay, so it move from first record to n number of record. So suppose if you need 10th record means it move 1 to it finally it reach the 10th record. Random access mean it randomly move to the 10th record. Okay, direct access means so information is stored in the tracks. Track means it's a circle. Each track having a separate read write head. Okay, the next the main memory. Already I told you the main memory is the brain of any kind of computer. It can communicate through the it can communicate to the CPU and auxiliary memory through the input output processor. Okay, so any kind the input output processor is a collected the all the connected the all input output devices. Okay, it's a fast large and fast memory. Okay, so it's a made up of the main memory is made up of RAM and ROM. Okay, so these are the different type of RAM exist in the main memory. DRAM means dynamic RAM. So it made up of capacitor and transistor. Must be refreshed in every 10 to 100 millisecond. SRAM is a static RAM, has a 6 transistor circuit in each cell. Each cell has a 6 transistor cell and retain data until power off. Non-volatile RAM, already I told you, retain its data even turned off. Power is turned off. Okay. ROM. ROM means read only memory. It's a permanent story. It permanently store the information. It acts as a bootstrap loader. What is bootstrap loader? If you on the system, it will load initially it load the operating system. So that kind of work that kind of work is doing by the bootstrap loader. Then the another one is a PROM, programmable ROM, EPROM, erasable ROM, and EE, electrically erasable ROM. These are the some of the other ROMs. Okay, then devices that provide backup storage are called auxiliary memory. The auxiliary memory means mostly it store the information. Okay, its speed is very less. Okay, suppose if you want to run any kind of program, the auxiliary memory store the program itself. So you if you click the press button and execute it. So this is the auxiliary memory. Cache memory means already I told you. So the frequently used content, instructions, data which are stored in the cache memory. Okay, if the main memory search the cache memory, if it is found in the cache memory, it is called as a hit. Okay, suppose if it is not exist in the data or instruction or word does not exist in the cache memory, that is called as a miss. Okay, so hit ratio is equal to the total number of hit plus miss, hit divided by hit plus miss. Okay, the last one is a associative memory. So this is also called as a content addressable memory. It's a type of memory chip in which each bit position can be compared. Okay, so dear student, today I take the different type of memory and memory hierarchy and memory organization. So, suppose if you have any kind of doubt, please kindly give the questions in the comment section. I will clear your doubt. Thank you, student.